It's exciting times in the world of 3D printing. This technological revolution is growing at an exponential rate. And if you're one of the many members of this creative community, then you're no stranger to the all too common frustrations that are considered part of the experience. For years, the 3D printing community has accepted kapton and masking tape as the go-to standard for 3D printing ABS and PLA, which serves their purpose, but are certainly not a perfect solution. These materials are finicky to install, need pre-treatment to be functional, are frequently destroyed while removing printed objects, and last only a few builds before you're repeating the cycle and installing a new sheet. What if I told you that using these print bed covers could be a thing of the past? We at Ideal Jacobs Corp. had developed an alternative that we feel will significantly improve the 3D printer user experience and quickly become the industry standard for print bed surfaces for the 3D printing community. Meet BuildTak, the ideal 3D printing surface for FDM 3D printers. BuildTak is a heat-resistant, specially textured plastic sheet that adheres to your bare print bed or build plate. BuildTak sheets are more rigid than kapton and masking tape, and therefore, we believe, are much easier to install or apply to the bare build plate and are much less susceptible to air bubbles getting trapped beneath the surface. You just remove the adhesive liner and apply to your clean build plate. Once you have the print bed level and nozzle height set just right, BuildTak just works. Through our experience, we find that 3D printed objects stay put on the BuildTak covered print bed the duration of your build with much fewer chances of curling or coming loose. When the builds are complete, we find that your printed objects just pop right off with significantly less prying or scraping than what you're probably used to with other alternatives. You might even find that BuildTak can hold your object in place even when the object cannot stand on its own. BuildTak is found to be more durable in nature, so it can be more effective in protecting the build plate. With proper use, and because there is generally less prying and scraping needed to remove your 3D printed object, BuildTak can significantly outlast the typical cycle time of either kapton or masking tape. BuildTak works for both ABS and PLA, which means if you're using a printer that can print in either material, it is not necessary to change the surface between builds. If and when you're ready to replace the BuildTak sheet, it comes off clean and easy in one piece, leaving no adhesive residue behind. BuildTak. It just works.